Have you ever wondered if the DNA in your body is more than just a biological blueprint? What if your DNA could actually listen to the universe, respond to its frequencies, and align with cosmic intelligence? In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating exploration of the mysterious connection between your DNA and the universe, combining science, ancient Indian wisdom, quantum physics, and spirituality. Definition: cosmic energy is the vital force present throughout the universe. In ancient India, it was called prana. In China, it is known as chai. Role in physics: quantum fields, vacuum energy, and zero-point field theories describe a sea of subtle energy present everywhere. Nikola Tesla's view: Tesla believed in an ether, a medium carrying limitless energy. He described it as a sea of electromagnetic waves that we could tap into. Connection to consciousness: modern quantum physics suggests that consciousness may be entangled with this cosmic energy field. Indian texts: the Upanishads say that everything is Brahman, infinite, conscious, and vibrating. Scientific hypothesis: cosmic rays, neutrinos, and quantum fields constantly bathe Earth, possibly affecting life and evolution. What is DNA and its hidden potential basic structure? DNA is a double helix molecule consisting of nucleotides, A, T, C, G, that encode genetic information. Conventional role: DNA guides the production of proteins, determines traits, and is passed from parents to offspring. Junk DNA mystery: 98% of human DNA does not code for proteins. Scientists used to call this junk, but now believe it may have regulatory or even energetic functions. DNA as an antenna: some studies, like those by Dr. Fritz Albert Popp, show DNA emits light, biophotons, and responds to electromagnetic waves. Energetic view: the DNA helix may act like a coil, sensitive to external vibrations and frequencies. Russian experiments in wave genetics: Dr. Peter Garyaev, pioneer in wave genetics. His experiments showed that DNA can be influenced and even rewritten using sound and laser light. Quantum linguistics: Russian researchers demonstrated that language and intention can change DNA patterns. Teleporting DNA: Garyaev successfully transmitted genetic patterns from one sample to another using wave signals. Implication: human consciousness, thoughts, and words may interact with DNA in real time. Scientific resistance: these ideas are still controversial but gaining traction in alternative scientific circles. Vedic science and spiritual DNA: nod and sound. In Indian philosophy, everything begins with sound: Nad Brahma. Mantras: Vedic chants are composed of specific sound frequencies. Chanting these is said to purify and energize the mind and body. Temple architecture: designed to amplify and resonate cosmic frequencies through sacred geometry. Chakras and DNA: chakras are energy centers aligned with endocrine glands and potentially influenced by DNA vibrations. Bija mantras: single-syllable sounds, Lam, Vam, Ram, etc., resonate with specific energy centers and DNA response mechanisms. Emotional energy and epigenetics: Bruce Lipton's Biology of Belief. Beliefs and emotions alter cellular biology. Epigenetics: the environment, emotions, and thoughts can switch genes on and off. DNA memory: trauma and patterns can be stored in DNA and passed generationally. Healing through emotions: forgiveness, gratitude, and love elevate vibration and may positively influence DNA expression. HeartMath Institute shows that heart-based emotions create coherent electromagnetic fields that affect cellular function, activating your DNA. DNA activation: a concept from metaphysics suggesting humans can awaken dormant DNA strands. 12-strand theory. Sunlight and solar codes: ancient cultures practiced sun gazing to activate inner light and DNA. Sacred breathwork: techniques like pranayama regulate life force energy and oxygenate cells. Visualization and light codes: meditating on light. Entering your cells is believed to awaken higher DNA potential. Meditation on crown chakra: said to unlock divine connection and cosmic downloads. DNA and multidimensional reality: fractal universe: the universe is self-replicating. DNA also has a fractal structure. Holographic theory: every part of the universe contains the whole, just as DNA in one cell contains info for the entire body. Spiritual teachings: yogis believed in accessing Akashic records through the ether, potentially encoded within DNA. Karma and DNA: some believe karmic patterns and soul lessons are stored in DNA structures. Multidimensional DNA: Some theories claim we have DNA connected to higher dimensions and star origins. Pleiadians, Arcturians, etc. Practical exercises to align DNA with cosmic energy. OM chanting 11 times daily. Balances nervous system, vibrates pineal gland. Listening to 528 Hz music, known as the frequency of DNA repair. Grounding, earthing. Walk barefoot to sync with Earth's frequency. Gratitude journaling. Elevates frequency, activates heart DNA resonance. Breathwork. Anulam vilom, kapalbhati. Purifies and energizes cells. Visualizing golden light. Enhances cell repair and DNA activation. Sun gazing during sunrise. Absorbs photons, potentially recharges pineal and DNA. Temple or sacred geometry exposure. Being in geometrically aligned spaces helps DNA resonance. Conclusion. We are not just made of atoms, we are made of awareness. Your DNA is not simply a genetic code, but a spiritual blueprint. It listens to your thoughts, your emotions, and even to the stars. By understanding and tuning into cosmic energy, you open the gateway to healing, expansion, and true realization of who you are. Call to action. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Share it with someone on a journey of awakening. Subscribe for more insights into ancient knowledge and new science. Comment below, do you believe DNA holds cosmic intelligence?